my cupcake pancake breakfast. Easy breakfast menu. Another video. Today I will be doing for you cupcake pancakes. So I have here my pancake mix already complete. Everything is there, just add water. I have my syrup, 2 eggs and 2 sausages, and I have my bowl ready to make. Alright, so my oven is preheating, so let's get started, guys. So I have my pancake mix. The amount that I want to make for those trays. So yes, guys, you can make any amount you prefer to make. I'm just gonna make maybe 6 for the trays. Alright, for the tray I make 6 or less. So here you go. All I need to do to this is just add water. Alright, guys. So you're gonna mix up this until it's smooth. Alright, guys. You know how to make pancakes, so I'm gonna pour this now into the tray. So you don't pull up there, right, guys? Okay. Kind of one shot, but that's okay. Aside. Alright, guys, I'm gonna place this in the oven now at 350 degrees for 20 minutes. It could be less or until done. Alright, so I'm gonna be going to the oven now. Alright, guys. Yes, it's all in the oven now, so I am waiting on it to finish bake. But in the meantime, I'm going to prepare my sausage and eggs. Alright, guys, so stay tuned. I'm gonna be cooking after the sausage and eggs now. So I'm heating up the frying pan. Gonna pour a little bit of oil when that is heated up. Guys, I've added the oil, so I'm gonna add my sausage to the oil. Turn up my flame for my egg. Guys, you could also add milk to your eggs if you prefer it that way, and then scramble it, but I prefer it this way, so I didn't do that. So yeah, right there. So it's all ready, waiting on my things, my cupcake pancake. And there you have it, guys, my cupcake pancake breakfast with eggs and sausage. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to leave a comment telling me what you think about this easy breakfast meal. Thank you guys. It's good for the family, good for the children, easy to make for breakfast. So go ahead and try it, guys. You'll love it. You don't have to use any oil or grease to make pancakes. Just push it in the oven. Yeah, good to go. My cupcake pancake breakfast. Go ahead, guys, and try it. Share it with everyone. My cupcake pancake breakfast.